Hey guys, we are going to do a lab today. So the first thing you're going to do is break up into groups of 4 or 5 and get a lab sheet. You're going to turn in one sheet for everyone in your group. So just take one sheet, put everybody's name on it. Everybody can fill out their own sheet to have a record of it, but you're just turning in one for your group. All right, we're looking to see, is there a correlation between the size of your hand and the number of Snickers you can grab out of a bag? So after you've got your group, then you're going to go get a ruler from Miss Barfield and you're going to measure the size of your hand in centimeters, not inches. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to measure from the bottom of your palm. So like if you bend your wrist, then you can see where the bottom of your palm is, from the bottom of your palm all the way to the tip of your middle finger. And then you're going to, Miss Barfield has a bag of Snickers. You're going to reach into the bag of Snickers and grab as many as you can and then pull them out and count them. And you're going to record those two pieces of information in your table below. Now, you're going to need to think about what's your independent variable and what's your dependent variable. Does the size of your hand depend on how many Snickers you can grab, or does how many Snickers you can grab depend on the size of your hand? All right, so after you get the readings from the 4 or 5 people in your group, then find another group right there around you and get their 4 or 5 readings. If you need to check with another additional group, then do that. But check with as many as you need to until your whole table is full with the measurements. All right, then you're going to graph that there on your sheet, and it doesn't matter if you graph it on your calculator and copy it onto your sheet, or if you graph it by hand, either one. And then there are a couple of questions that you're going to answer. All right, so again, at the end of the period, you should turn in one for your entire group. If you finish your lab before the end of the period, you can work on something else quietly for another class. Hope you guys have a great long weekend, and I'll see you Tuesday.